Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this smartphone. Start by opening Tab menu. Now look for location icon and tap on it. As you can see in this pop-up, you need to select close, and now location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same icon. You can also go into device settings, scroll down and select location section over here. Then manage location by tapping on the switcher next to location access feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!